By leveraging the right free AI project management software, you can boost your productivity by over 300% in just a few short weeks. With the latest advancements in artificial intelligence, you can automate tedious tasks, streamline workflows, and unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency. You'll learn how to harness the power of cutting-edge AI tools to revolutionize your work and personal projects. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can understand and respond to human input, making it perfect for tasks like drafting emails or creating meeting notes. For instance, you can use ChatGPT to generate a project proposal outline, saving you hours of time and effort. A quick tip is to use the tool's built-in formatting options to make your documents look professional. Next up is Claude, an AI assistant that can help with tasks like data entry and research. You can use Claude to find and organize relevant information for a project, such as market trends or customer feedback. A quick tip is to use Claude's natural language processing capabilities to ask follow-up questions and drill down into specific details. Number 3 is Midjourney, a text-to-image model that can generate stunning visuals for your projects. For example, you can use Midjourney to create concept art for a marketing campaign, giving you a unique and captivating way to communicate your message. A quick tip is to experiment with different prompts and styles to find the one that works best for your brand. Here is a powerful one, DALL-E, an AI model that can generate images from text prompts. You can use DALL-E to create custom graphics for social media or blog posts, making your content stand out in a crowded online landscape. A quick tip is to use DALL-E's editing tools to refine and fine-tune your images. Canva is a popular design platform that now includes AI-powered features like automatic layout and styling suggestions. You can use Canva to create professional-looking presentations, reports, or infographics, even if you have no design experience. A quick tip is to use Canva's AI-powered template suggestions to get started quickly and easily. Notion AI is a productivity platform that integrates AI-powered tools and features to help you manage your work and personal projects. You can use Notion AI to create custom workflows, set reminders, and assign tasks to team members. A quick tip is to use Notion AI's built-in database feature to track and analyze your progress over time. Next, we have 11 Labs, an AI model that can generate human-like voiceovers for videos or podcasts. You can use 11 Labs to create engaging audio content, such as explainer videos or audiobooks, without needing to hire a voice actor. A quick tip is to experiment with different voices and styles to find the one that works best for your audience. Runway is an AI-powered video editing platform that can help you create stunning visuals and effects. You can use Runway to create marketing videos, social media clips, or even entire movies, using AI-powered tools to streamline the editing process. A quick tip is to use Runway's AI-powered color grading feature to give your videos a professional look. Perplexity is a knowledge-based platform that uses AI to help you find and organize information. You can use Perplexity to research topics, create summaries, and even generate outlines for articles or blog posts. A quick tip is to use Perplexity's natural language search feature to find relevant information quickly and easily. Leonardo AI is a project management platform that uses AI to help you plan, track, and optimize your workflows. You can use Leonardo AI to create custom project plans, assign tasks, and set deadlines, using AI-powered analytics to identify areas for improvement. A quick tip is to use Leonardo AI's built-in collaboration features to work with team members and stakeholders. Gamma is an AI-powered writing assistant that can help you generate high-quality content, from blog posts to entire books. You can use Gamma to create engaging articles, social media posts, or even entire websites, using AI-powered tools to streamline the writing process. A quick tip is to use Gamma's AI-powered editing feature to refine and polish your writing. Suno is an AI-powered task automation platform that can help you streamline repetitive tasks and workflows. You can use Suno to automate tasks like data entry, email management, or even social media posting, using AI-powered tools to save time and increase productivity. A quick tip is to use Suno's AI-powered workflow feature to create custom automation sequences. To recap, we've covered ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva, Notion AI, 11 Labs, Runway, Perplexity, Leonardo AI, Gamma, and Suno, each with its unique features and use cases. By leveraging these free AI project management software tools, you can unlock unprecedented levels of productivity and efficiency. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't miss out on part 14 of our free AI tools series, where we'll explore even more cutting-edge tools and technologies to help you stay ahead of the curve.